Hey, Brian here, Tampa Scalp Inc. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. It's Friday. I'm actually going to head to the gym real quick. And so quick thing I wanted to do. So I'm going to start offering a consultation for $2.99 hour consultation. You call me, we go over all the holes in your business. If you're a barber, if you are a SMP artist, whatever I can help you out with, I'm going to show you all my tricks, all my tips, and show you what exactly I do to get my business, and try to answer all your questions and kind of dig into what your business is missing and what you're doing, not necessarily doing wrong, but what you can improve on, you know. So in golf, they say if you just take your swing and turn it like very small, the ball goes way the other way, right? So sometimes most people in business are just a little bit off, and we can tweak some of those things and actually get some really good results. So if you're interested in a consultation with me, it's $2.99 for an hour. And, you know, it's not like, okay, we got to get off in 1 hour. It's just, you know, basically hour consultation. Now, if you have never had any training, if you've never done anything SMP and you want to learn about SMP, this is not what that is. This is for someone that's already had training. I do offer advanced training if you've already been trained somewhere. And that's $9.99, and that's for a day. And, you know, if you want to come into the shop, we can do a model and we can make that happen. Or if you want to do that where I work with you over the video for a day, we can do that too. And then I'm here to support you afterwards too. But that would be someone that has been through an actual training, not just an online training that you learn the basics. That would be an actual training you went to. And then my regular training is $44.99. That includes the Cheyenne Soul Nova Unlimited wireless tattoo machine. If you already have a tattoo machine, you're a tattoo artist or a PMU artist, permanent makeup artist, and you don't need a tattoo machine, then you could just take $1,000 off that, and it would be $34.99. And that's in 3 days hands-on training. So if you guys are interested, let me know, hit me up. And any way I can help you guys out, any questions, and I'm here to help. So it's 813-625-6062, Tampa Scalp Inc., INK.com. You can hit me up there, or you can message me. Any way I can help you guys out. See ya.